if x plus y proportionate x minus y, so prove that the x proportionate y. How? First, we can write the x plus y. This proportionate, so take the constant x minus y. K is the constant. K is the constant. And now x plus y, divide this x minus y, this is the constant of k, and now again this is x plus y, this is x minus y, and k is equal to k by 1, this, and now use the formula of x plus y, this is the formula of componendo and dividendo formula. So use the x minus y. This is componendo and dividendo formula. See, we know this formula is the componendo and dividendo formula. This is, use this formula. So in this formula we know this is the a by b is equal to c by d. So use this formula a b. This is, we know the formula, this we know this formula. So now again we can write this is the x plus y, and this is the plus x, and this is the minus y, and divide this x plus y, and this is the minus x, and this is the plus y. So cut this and this, and this is the k plus 1 and k minus 1. So there is the 2x and there is the 2y, and this is the cut. So x plus 1, k plus 1 and k minus 1. So again we can write this is the x by y is the k plus 1 and k minus 1. So again we can write this, the x is equal to the k plus 1 and k minus 1. This is the y, and k is a constant. We take the k is a constant, and k plus 1 and k minus 1, is this always is the constant? So this is always is the constant. So we can write the x proportionate of y. So we can write this. So this is the proof.